Yes, we was 3. My elder sister, myself, and my younger brother.
Wow.
So when my dad and father, my father told me to take care of my brother. And make sure you take care of Ibuka. You understand?
Yeah.
So I'm not his help.
I'm live
So
already.
take care of your mother and Ibuka. So make the resources available for me to take care of them. Yotago. Yes, I was speaking to him.
Come on, hold my camera. Okay, honey. Said it's 3K, right? Yes. Okay. Let me give you my WhatsApp number.
Sorry.
I will send this one later. So between it might not even get on the 10th anyway. So before 10th, you get no. Well done. May your father not die again, Jesus name. I will tell my father to create. Have you seen Georgina Ibe on this video? Hey, who dey Zuzu now?
Who is that?
Who dey Zazo?
Zazuze. Zezeze.
Zeze is a Zenson.
Take it to Ren now.
Show Ure.
I'm money that dog.
Oh shit. He's a sexy. Oh my god. Oh. Hot one.
Hey.
Wait. Wait.
Ebony, what's wrong with you?
Anything I say is my business. All to one.
Jesus. Is that live? Facebook? You like Facebook Live?
Nah, TV now. My page now.
Wow.
You don't get trust, you must talk for inside now. That's
Hi guys, how you guys doing?
Why did you say 0
Support end.
Who tells you that 0
090.
Georgina, I've changed my mind. This guy, I know buy another bag of rice. How can you say I use 080? That's for kids.
Away.
They give for this.
I don't say, okay, go
Ah,
back.
don't
Nah,
do.
straight up.
Okay, go back.
No, so when she don't know.
She know meant to pass.
Georgina, even.
Baby, can you make this very akin with you people?
Baby, you show me how to do this live.
On TikTok.
I'll show you. Them they yeah. Let me look at it.
Let me show you. Like say you want to post something, see the live now.
That's it. They better live.
Clients on it.
Show yourself. Don't you come back
You
to
have a
yourself.
call though.
Okay, cut. I don't need to call.
Okay.
Okay. You know you're still hustling for this glass, so.
I'm trying to be
Cut her
humble.
now. Shoot.
Save the
Who
number.
now one? Cut it.
Save the number. Save it.
Yeah, save.
Let me save it.
Before I do life first, we'll save them. Who then I get my own?
I will save her.
Who then I must get that rice now? Who then?
I love you and forgive me.
Who then I come and greet people on the camera? Tell them you're leaving.
I am leaving.
Shit.
Beg for money.
May your nyash not put you to hell. Yeah, that was
I'm
really
on
nice.
live on TikTok.
Oh, really? That's beautiful. Talk to them.
How many fans do you have? How many people followers do you have on TikTok?
9,000.
9,000. I just started. Real life. Wahala.
Live on where?
Eh?
Let's go, man. Wow.
It's me not live now.
Are you not online?
I'm on live. They don't say they're coming. You Facebook?
Wahala.
See the energy.
Yes, sir.
Baby, come. That's Okon.
Na me.
Mommy, just greet him now. I want for you.
Him and our home.
Greet him. Okay.
Baby, who is that?
Hey, guys. Hello, my TikTok followers. Julie has been laughing there. Hello, my TikTok
You know,
followers.
we did for Ebony.
This is malt and milk, okay? I don't want to. Good morning. I don't want to eat, so.
Sorry, baby.
Baby?
Hey guys, okay, please keep gifting. We need the gift, guys. We need the gift.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, so this is Georgina Ebony's friend.
So
Hey.
I'm gifted.
Oh, network.
Shit.
They'll gift you. You see, they'll start to give you. You'll be seeing it when they start gifting you. Double tap, guys. Double tap. You have okay, 5 people are watching. Hi guys. Hi. So we're on set. Let me show you what Ebony is doing right now. They're making her up. So send gifts to your fan. Abi? Is that right? To your fan.
Family.
Yes. To your fave. See this one. My family. To your fave. Send gift to your fave. She needs your gift. Send the gift. Don't come to go. I mean, what? You never did that, baby. Did you do it?
I did. I did too much. No, I didn't take it seriously. I made 45.
Some people made like 500 people.
I'm making millions from it. What are you talking about? I know somebody that staged a music showroom because she sings very well.
Wow.
Every day she will have an open with her mic and everything, with lights, instrument. They don't do that shit.
Serious.
Make millions. If you take it serious, you can make a lot of money.
Guys, please double tap. Share the live. Come on, send the gifts now. What's up? I've not seen any gifts. What's going on? What's up, Ebony?
Yes, I did. Exactly. I did that yesterday. I did that yesterday.
Oh, you're looking so fine this morning.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
I did that yesterday.
You can start.
What's going on?
Hello?
Zapping. What's going on?
Sorry. You there?
Hey, you look fine. It's looking as you slim down and you come sweet.
I swear.
Don't enter my eye, oh. Take a easy.
I know you didn't want to.
Guys, double tap.
Director, stop! Director, what's wrong with me? Double tap, guys. Double tap. Send me your gift.
So what's the
Honestly, I'm telling you, I know you have to send you gifts.
So
Just
this
hold the camera, just for them to send you gifts.
can you send me to
I want to send you
The weekend when it was awesome. I mean, I have to say.
Please share this live video, please. I lost my voice actually.
That was the same thing for the lab.
Please share this live video.
Wait.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? So yeah, I'm at work. I'm on Facebook.
Guys, please share. Share this video.
Do they share Facebook?
Hello?
Oh, please share Facebook.
That's where it goes more viral.
I did.
Guys, come on, share the live. I'm right
Let's
here. I'm here, guys.
I'm fine.
I'm here.
MS return fine.
Esther.
Good
Not complete,
morning.
we go to
Are
start.
you ready? I'm gonna give you costume now.
Trust me, I'm not like you a costume.
Guys, share the live. Share the live.
Good
share the
morning.
live.
Good morning.
Can I come and work with someone on Facebook? Eh?
Yes.
Where would I?
So baby, if I'm gonna end this live video, how will I end it?
Where the request? Eh?
Where will I end it?
No, no, it has to be accept. Don't be live.
They have requested to just show red. Oh, someone else requested.
Baby, come and say hello to my
Amazing, amazing.
I am here.
No, they not, nobody has requested.
Don't face it.
Where best has responded.
Baby,
They expire.
baby, what's wearing that?
Wait, let me show.
I did not send it.
What in the tutorial is going on here?
Oh, let me show you. Come close. You never start. You don't get tired.
If I want to end that way, I don't know.
Moses are fine. God damn, girl. I am so fine this morning. Go, make us here. Guys, send gifts now. Send gifts.
Just like
My boss, oh.
our first life be this life.
Guys, come on now. Come on
We
now.
subsequently will send you gifts.
Send it to our gifters. We are the gifters. When are the gifters? Thank you.
Yes, you know how beautiful. Just like
It's strong. I don't want to I swear. I don't know you. When I'm like this, I just want to come greet you as different person. As maybe I don't pass, I don't greet you. No, come and come greet you as different person.
Okay, if you want to end it, say.
I don't fit. That's what I did for. I don't fit no face. That one way no carry. It's just that you do make it say na young girl you can't do like old and
We should be changing. I love you guys too. I love you guys too. No, I won't change it. Just be showing what's going on. I love you guys. Share the
I know fear the live, oh.
Share the live.
Okay, I've seen it, I've seen
Have you
it.
seen it? I love you guys. Share the live. Keep sharing. Period. Hey. Oh yeah.
Hey. Hello, blood. Hello, blood. How are you?
okay,
Hey, baby, say something to my camera. It's live, Facebook Live.
Thank you.
Facebook Live.
It is to my greatest felicity. So I'm back on this platform. For you nominating me.
Auntie? Yes? Oh, Guinea. Auntie, you didn't do anything. Auntie, come and say hello to my Facebook fans. That's Auntie Omanadi. Auntie, I've not been able to. I'll try it again now.
No.
Yeah, no, but Auntie, we are bigger than that now.
I feel my
Auntie, my app has been messing me up, man.
Morning, that was the night. You decided to publish
The way.
you just want to start now.
Where's my costume? I know if you end this live video, which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of wahala be this?
Don't need to start that one.
Now to end down. I know if you end down. Hello, Desmond. Dave.
Hey, you just want to see. They don't want me. They don't want me. Hey, what the fuck is that problem? They don't want them to come on. They won't have it. I'm already so make it just
I tire.
make you carry my leg come out. Tell them.
Okay, this is what I'm wearing.
Yes,
It's a gown.
yes.
Guys, I'm going to show every other person
You got the page to talk.
Can I go meet them for that?
Now bring your axe here.
My love. Where did you talk?
That baby no one. Let's go me, but I understand. No one way for this.
I'm gonna
But you know, as it is now, there's no one way for this summer. They even pay them. Yeah, I want to change the good very minute. Oh, but you can say no, I don't like that. It's Jesus. It's Jesus.
I'm telling you. No one will go talk, Sha. Later now. Bishopy. Morning, darling. It's all these blood in my face. They won't let me see.
Yes.
I keep one braggy 10. Mama. Bam, 10. Okay, if I'm bam, what you mind? I'm going to be speaking in Naga.
That's called me. The guy telling me this one talk, this one talk, this one talk. That one have been edited.
What's the
My
number?
problem, my own is when my
Hey,
balance
continuity.
that
What's the number
have
am I
my
getting?
space on that system.
Yeah,
I
where's my
mean,
black
if I begin to charge for that, you know how much.
Straight up.
That will don't pass 2 years. Okay. I'm waiting for the start of seeing. Get out. So, I'm telling you, I have no
Auntie Gwegwegwe. Auntie Gwegwegwe.
Yes, so I don't do myself. I don't. I don't. Thank you, baby. I got it.
What are they saying?
Is that all I'm seeing? Say I love you.
Okay. Where is my...
I am plotting.
No.
I got 3 rules. I know who I am.
Someone say I'm too mommy tonight.
I know who I am. There she is.
Share the live, guys. Share it.
Come to see my mother.
I've done it. That's Georgina eBay.
eBay. Georgina eBay.
Almost 200 something people are watching.
Yeah. Hello? Hmm?
Instagram.
Fine. Yes. Babe, you don't give me on that black eye.
Guys, keep sharing.
I don't find Debbie later.
You find without me. Thank you. Hello.
My love, please help me hold it like this.
Hello.
Thank you, Mama. Tracy, I said, because you bend down. So I said that the babe. I don't know if I want to do your more camera. I feel like selling you. So they go below, I just sell them. Why I say you could get money?
Wahala. I need my friend. I said my I was looking at Ebony's life, this one now said, the light don't off. Yes, I was one that actually some people are just sad.
You don't know the block and delete.
These goats where they these goats.
This Uncle Gwegwe.
Careful, Mark. Mark.
Okay.
Mark will block. Now those guys, anytime when you get chance, they will decide their point. When you get chance, they will decide.
This one, God say I can like say in my life.
That might be this one.
See how would I say I have to when I have that
Where is this thing?
What?
Eyelash.
You know, sir, I don't know what they want to do, but
It's not a continuity thing.
but let me put this up for the eyelash.
Bring eyelash.
Oh, well, eyelash.
Bring it now. Just come and do it at the same time.
Please, bring that hand.
What's that ever come there?
Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, you're beautiful without makeup.
What's that ever come there?
What you want collect?
Auntie, where?
What you want carry?
Auntie,
Brother, I'm coming.
thank you, Melissa. I love you from South Africa. Oh, thank you. Don't mind him. Don't mind him.
No.
Good morning, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, share the live. Like I don't really come on live again.
Why?
I don't get fan base for Facebook.
You must go get some.
No, nah. You debut them.
I did do that. I want to.
We will get there. Before we get
Facebook has a wider audience.
Right? So this is Ebony of Basuyi.
Yeah, hello people.
Ebony.
How y'all doing?
Beanie Finest.
How y'all doing?
Beanie Finest.
How y'all doing? Gay.
You get to Jamal there? Thank you. Guys. Oh yeah, all this to make a rub out there. Yeah?
Amen. Thank you. What is Georgina's Facebook page?
Hey! Ibe Georgina Chineye!
Ibe Georgina Chineye. Go and search. We are live now.
Maybe they share live from there. Comment and pin. Maybe comment and pin, baby.
Okay, your name.
Follow me, I beg. Follow me.
Georgina Ibe Chineye.
Ibe Georgina Chineye.
Yeah, I'm done. There's different people. The Ibe Georgina. Tell them I'm online so they see. Give me scripts. Mommy, you haven't replied me. I love you, Nemeka Jennifer. I love you.
Your Chineye is C-H-I-N-E-Y-A.
C-H-I-N-E-Y-E. Yes. Oh, okay.
I need something to
Chikakala Mono. Guaya.
I've pinned down her name.
Thank you.
That's Georgina's name.
Thank you.
What are you doing, madam?
You will be scared. That's scared they carry gift. Georgie,
Sir?
that's scared.
Come on, hold my Take it, say something.
You get na laba. Na laba skin. It's not for seductress. I'm mommy gwegwe.
You don't understand this script at all.
I love you so much, guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Omo Caro Abis, I so much love you and my sister Ebony. Yeah, Ebony Obasuyi. We Ebony fans love you. Your fans are coming. Thank you. Thank you for coming. What are you drinking? Malt and milk. I need energy. Guys. Energy. You must stand up and show your haters what you got. Hey! You must stand up and show what your haters what you got. Wahala. Go tell costume that the director doesn't like what I'm wearing. From Ebony overseas page. Oh, your fans are coming through. They're amazing, huh? Yeah. How was your Onitsha Head Bridge experience? Awful. Hi! Onitsha Bridge was awful. How come you're wearing this outfit? How come you're wearing this outfit?
I'm here with Ebony. Ew!
Ew!
No, no worry.
Nothing.
Drama.
He break. Oh, that's the mystery. My phone don't break. Oh, Jesus.
Don't show me, not lie.
See now.
Is this the real skin?
Yes.
Why didn't you put skin guard?
I must say too dark. I said remove.
You remove them. Before you remove them, what do you buy?
Maybe how much is it?
You know cost now. You mean
English subject, yes.
no, you don't
English
tell me.
Okay, give her a question. Say no like this. Say no like this.
50,000.
I get from it. Mama, I get from where they sell them. I get from my color. Men, they come immediately.
Is this a men's play?
Yes. Help! Oh, God, I'm still.
Listen, Papa, say me, oh, no be me, oh. I beg you. God is my witness.
This is the real screen. I removed it.
Jesus, I never send that. I'm sorry.
But the sad truth is that you can't even get the real screen. Anything you buy can never be. So I would advise you to keep this screen guard. You understand? You know why? Because if this one will fall, that one will be close again. But this one, no matter how this one is, the display come out. But the moment, the moment.
But you know what?
Nothing wrong with Lagos for this one.
Yes.
See, we are having fun.
Okay, we explain it.
Go to Ikeja Mall. Okay. Ikeja Mall. There's an eye store. Ikeja Mall.
That's Computer Village.
No, not from that place. Okay. In Ikeja Mall now, like shop right.
Okay.
There's an eye store there. Okay. Go there. They are the ones that they are about the only people who are the direct dealers with us. No, it's not Apple. Apple is very selective with the people that represent them. But those guys have a franchise with Apple somehow. Their dealership with Apple is very legit. So they come, open an iStore that is run by them, not by Apple. Yeah, that's for them. No go post that. No go post that. Enjoy yourself. No go post that. No, but we do free advert give iStore again for wine.
Guys, we are here. This is Mr.
Where?
SSC or condition space.
Where?
Position space.
9 and 10 now.
How did they reply person when they like?
See ya.
You know, you reply.
You are replying.
No, not my phone now.
I
I
know.
see you now. And it's
Oh yeah, talk. You say oh my what it mean? Organization.
This is impression.
Yes, your submission.
Okay, Valentina, will you buy me another phone? Buy me another phone. The phone is broken. Oh, come costing.
See me, oh. I didn't hear you say I cost phone to break. Do I break screen phone or phone screen?
I need another phone.
Okay, your people buy you phone.
Yes, Valentina, will you buy me a phone? Just say yes. Let me DM you now. Don't say you buy me a phone and later you scam me. Will you buy me a phone? Valentina, will you buy me a phone?
For what? Are you okay?
Please now. Valentina, I'm not joking. No. Will you buy me a phone? I need another phone. See, the screen is broken. I love you all, guys. Please careful. We'll put another screen. I love you guys. I love you all so much.
Where is Lovett? Where is Lovett?
Valentina, yeah, thank you. The phone, I bought it for 680. No laugh. Oh. Bella. Oh yeah, inbox me. Oh. Inbox me. Wanna buy me for my phone don't break. Oh. I'm not joking. This is gonna make me feel bad. Oh yeah, Valentina, inbox me your number. Let's talk, okay, baby? I'm all set. Hey, Bella, you pay half. Woo, I love you guys. Thank you. Oh yeah, now yeah, let's talk on DM. Let's DM me. Let's talk about it. I trust you. You guys are not too much. Not too much.
Don't worry, they'll send you money to fix it.
My fans said they will do it. One said she will pay off. The other one said I should trust her that she will buy for me. Okay, I'll send you my number. Okay. Thank you. Oh yeah, after this live video, just send me your oh yeah, take my number 070 31 88 2531. Valentina, Bella, and the other person. 070 31 88 2531. That's my phone number. I love you guys. Thank you so much. We're about to start filming now.
Give me script. See what, please?
Thank you. We're about to start filming. Oh yeah, DM me. Let's talk about it, okay? Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Not so, no. They will. Guys, Georgina eBay is live now, so go and follow her page. eBay Georgina Chineye. Go and follow her right now. She's live. All my fans, go and follow Georgina, okay? Please. She's my baby. My day one. Yes, people. That's Georgina. But tell them to follow your page.
eBay Georgina Chinenye. You don't even spell my name well. I'll kill you. On pin. Let me write it well. Where do I write it? Where I write that?
No, see.
Okay. Wow. eBay Georgina Chinenye.
Give me my. Let me drink it.
This thing has strength. So. How do you pin? Yeah. This one too, screen don't break. They're waiting for one character now.
Which character is that? Which character will do it?
That's her name, okay, guys.
I need your phone number.
070 31 88 2531. Malt and milk.
Malt and milk.
For energy, I don't want to eat. And I want to start shooting now. And I'm on drugs, so. Vivian said she wants to follow you because of her Dofe's daughter.
Oh.
Go and follow her, guys.
Oh. I love you guys. Everybody's representing for real.
Come on. Okay. So guys, bring my charger. My phone wants to go off. Check. Let me dance for my fans that said they want to buy me a phone. Oh yeah, go and inbox me on WhatsApp. Oh yeah, let's go. Valentina, Bella, the other guy, Tega, all of you. That's my number, 070 31882531. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, guys, I gotta go now, okay? I love you all so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, guys, I love you all so much. Thank you. Thank you for your love, for your support. 070 31882531. Babe,
Yeah, baby.
tell my fans goodbye.
Hi guys, please get her a phone and get me a phone too. iPhone. Oh wait, now let me tell them.
My friend, they also for phone.
iPhone 13 for the both for both of us. iPhone 13. We love you. Mwah.
Thief. All right, guys, you heard that already. I love you guys. I have to go now. I need to charge my phone, and we're going on set. All right, guys. So if you know I gave you my number, just write me now on WhatsApp. I love you guys.